This is step by step how to use our people page on email world community. We are now connecting everybody. So what you are seeing here is people page. Okay. So you can follow anyone, you can send anybody message. You don't have limit on this, it's unlimited. So how to search? You can search by name. Okay, you can search by name and you can search by industry. Here, let's say you're targeting people in oil and gas. You can find people in energy companies. Okay. This one you can send message to anybody. Okay, here on the email where they receive their message. I'm going to show you how that works. You can search by these industries. You can also search by users this users level. You can go by free user, pro user, VIP user. So what I'm going to do here, first thing you can see this guy, I can follow this guy here and I can send him message. Sorry guys, you can see how the inbox will look like. This is the inbox. Okay, you can send this message, basic message by saying hi. So you can send a message to this guy. And I'm going back to people's page back. So I'm going to search by name. This is my second account. I just find it here. I can just follow this account and I want to send myself a message and you guys is going to see my message. Okay. I want to when I send the message, I'm going to the account to check my inbox. Okay, we have shared message before. I say hello, this is from people's page. Then I can send message out. Then I'm going to check my second account, this account. On the notification, I'm going to refresh this account. So on the notification, you can see here we have four notification. You have one message from this guy that is me from my second account. To see the message, go to message here. Go to message. So that is the inbox, email word inbox. You can see the message here. I can just open it and you can see, hello, this is from people's page. I'm going to say, okay, I saw your message. Then respond. I can go back to my main account again and you can see, I saw your message, respond. Okay. So on people's page, you can contact anybody. You can try to sell or do your business with people. Okay, it's also telling you industry people also work in people that work in manufacturing company. If you go there, you see those that work in manufacturing company and their position. You can go there and also there's a lot of things. Real estate, you can see people on real estate. Okay, these people here, you can send a message, anyone message. You don't have limit. You can follow unlimited. You can send unlimited, and nothing will happen to your account. Okay. So in next page, I'm going to show teach everything about email extractor. Then see you there.